Welcome to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into how to turn off active status on WhatsApp. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful guides and tips. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp application. This is where all your chats and conversations live. Step 2. Look to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots. This is your gateway to more options and settings. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your WhatsApp experience. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Privacy. Privacy settings are crucial for controlling what others can see about you. Step 5. Scroll down to Last Seen and Online. Here, you'll decide who gets to know when you're on the app. Step 6. You'll see options under Who can see my last seen and Who can see when I'm online. To go completely incognito, select Nobody. This ensures that no one can see when you were last online or if you're currently active on WhatsApp. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.